the value of x, given that you have 4 to the power of x equals 72. Then let's have it to be solution. We have, to introduce log, we have log 4 to the power of x equals log 72. When we have log p to the power of m equals m times log p. So from here we have x times log 4 equals log 72. Divided through by the coefficient of x, which is log 4. So this, we cancel out this, we have x equals log 72 over log 4. Then from here, when we have log a over log b, we have this to be log of a in base b. So finally, we have x to be log 72 in base 4 as final solution. But if you want to simplify this further, we can recall that we have 72 in simplest form to be 4 times 18. So we are going to have x to be log 4 times 18 over log 4. Then when we have log a times b, close the parenthesis, equals log a plus log b. So we are going to have x to be log 4 plus log 18 over log 4. Then when we have something as this, we have to recall when we have a parameter m plus n over p, such that m, n, and p are constants. So we can have this as m over p plus n over p. So we have x log 4 over log 4 plus log 18 over log 4. So we have x log 4 divided by log 4. They are the same. This will be 1 plus log of 18 over log 4. Then we have to recall once again that we can have 18 as the product of 9 times 2. 9 times 2. So we have x 1 plus log 9 times 2 over log 4. We have x 1 plus log 9 plus log 2 over log 4. So we have x 1 log 9 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. So let us recall, we can have 9 as 3 to the power of 2 and 4 to be 2 to the power of 2. Both are perfect square. So we have x1 plus log 3 to the power of 2 over log 4 to the power of 2, log 2 to the power of 2, plus log 2 over log 2 to the power of 2. We have x1 plus, you can have this as 2 times 3 over 2 times log 2 plus log 2 over this 2 times log 2. So this log 2 here, we cancel out this. And this 2 we cancel out this log 2 we cancel out this. We have 1 plus log 3 over log 2. Then this will be 1 over 2. We have x 1 plus 1 over 2 plus log 3 over log 2. So we have x, the LCM will be 2, then this will be 2 plus 1 plus log 3 over log 2 x. 2 plus 1 will be 3 over 2 plus log 3 over log 2. Then when we have log a over log b equals as log a in base b. So we have x to be 3 over 2 plus log 3 in base 2. So if we are to verify the first and the second solution, so we have x log 72 in base 4. So to check, we have 4 to the power of s equals 72. So 4 to the power of log 72 in base 4, then it's going to give us 72. Let us recall, when we have a to the power of log b in base a, this will be equals b. Applying it here, we have 72 equals 72. Bye bye.